Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. It's time for bubble tea, one of our all-time favourites. Start by adding 125 grams of tapioca powder and 10 grams of cocoa powder to a bowl. Mix them together and put them aside. Now place a pot on the stove and add 60 grams of brown sugar, 5 grams of corn flour and 80 millilitres of water. Mix it on the heat until it forms a nice paste. Then pour in your dry ingredients. Give it a good mix, then remove it from the heat, place on a work surface and start kneading. Once the dough is ready, cut it into 4 equal sections. Each section we're going to roll into really thin sausage shapes. Cut each one in half, then slice it into small pieces. Now, using the palms of your hands, roll each piece into a ball. These tapioca pearls are going to be our bubbles. Once they're all shaped, sprinkle a large amount of tapioca flour on top and mix them around. There. Now bring some water to the boil and add your tapioca pearls. Let it boil on a medium flame for about 20 minutes, mixing all the while. Then place the lid on top and remove from the heat. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now pour through a sieve, removing any liquid. Then place your tapioca pearls in a fresh pot and heat it with 50 millilitres of water and 20 grams of brown sugar. Let it boil on a low flame for 5 minutes. And it's ready. Pour that into a bowl, ready to spoon into your glass. Pour some ice on top, and your milk tea. And there you have it. Bubble tea, chocolate flavour. Enjoy!